Alright guys, lesson 15, making a multiplication table. Let's get some problems taken care of on this Wednesday. Start, of course, with our assignment with our name on top. Remember the little number code here is how you're going to repack those folders. So this goes in the Wednesday folder. It's the third sheet in the Wednesday folder behind your facts, power up, and then this one. Number 1 says, draw a number line with integers from -3 to 10. How many unit segments are there from 3 to 8? Now it's kind of strange that they're going to have you start it at -3 and go to 10. I haven't been fitting mine, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to put the 0 right about here. -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I almost fit it. I planned ahead, plan ahead. Now, we're going to count those unit segments from 3 until 8. Hop with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3, yeah, 5. Good. So we got that one right. 5 unit segments. Number 2. Came was the 9th person in line. How many people were in front of him? Now, that's pretty obvious. If he's 9th, there's 8 people in front of him. But let's draw it. 1 person, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is him, the 9th person in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. What? 8 people. Here's a rolling. Let's go. Number 3. MK used tally marks to count the number of trucks, cars, and motorcycles that drove by her house. 13 cars drove by her house. Use tally marks to show the number 13. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, diagonal 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, diagonal 10. 11, 12, 13. Do it with me. Counting out loud makes it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, diagonal 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, diagonal 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we go, turn the page. Fact family, give me some facts. 2 addition, 2 subtraction, number 4, you're on your own. Alright, for problem 6 and 7, write an equation to find the answer. They're from lesson 11, so we got our missing add-in problems. Season tickets to amusement parks are on sale for $100 each. On the first day of the sale, the amusement park sold 164 tickets. After 3 days, the amusement park sold a total. So, number 5, I got it. Some more, and the total. Now, I heard that I had the total, and they wrote it in words. This $100 is not important. So the total was $239. And on the first day, they sold some. It was 164. Plus a missing add-in. What are we going to do with a missing add-in? We're going to subtract. Flip it over. 239 minus 164. 9 minus 4 is 5. Cross out the 2, make it a 1. 13 minus 6 is 7. Our answer for number 5 is 75. 75. What? 75 tickets. That's crazy. In one day they sold 164, then 3 more days they only sold 75 more tickets. Everybody must have been there for the big sale on the first day. Alright, number 6. The length of 3 bridges are shown in the table. What is the sum? So it's just a big old addition problem. Lesson 11, adding. I set it up for you, but I think you can figure it out on your own. Alright, jump to the back side now. I picked a few more I thought maybe I would like to help you with. Number 23 says, use digits and symbols to write 12 equals 10 plus 2. It's the first one we've had like this. 12 equals 10 plus 2. 12 equals 10 plus 2. That's an equation. Okay, number 23, 12 equals 10 plus 2. Normally we would say 10 plus 2 equals 12, but you can say it the other way. 12 equals 10 plus 2. All right, now then number 24, it's the missing one. So get on your number line, get on your hundreds chart, multiplication table. 32, 40, 48 are all multiples of 8. Slide down the 8 one. 32, 40, 48, something, 64. All right, jump to number 27. 27 says a dozen is 12. What's half a dozen? So we're going to take 1/2 of 12. When we take half of something, we divide by 2. Okay, and half of 12 equals 6. Do I need a label? Nope, not on 27. 28. Write a multiplication problem that shows how to find the total number of circles. Multiplication. Let's count across the top first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each row. And how many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 groups of 6. That one I think you can figure out as well on your own. Okay? Some number and the label will be circles. Something circles. 29. 2 integers are indicated by the arrows on the number line. Write the 2 integers using a comparison symbol to show which number is greater and which one is less. So our first integer is right here. It is to the left of the 0. And if it's to the left of the 0, of course it's going to be negative. So one tick over from 0 would be -1. Of course that's going to be less than whatever's on this side of the 0. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1 is less than 4. And number 30, last one on the assignment. Let's get it. The relationship between yards and feet is shown before. 1 yard equals 3 feet, 2 yards equals 6 feet, 3 yards equals 9 feet. Write the rule to describe how to find the number of feet for any number of yards. So I have yards. Yards times 3 equals feet. That's for A. Yards times 3 equals feet. And B, we're going to sub in how many is 20 yards. So I have 20 yards, and we'll take it times 3. 20 yards times 3. 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 2 is 6. 60 what? 60 feet. I think you got it, class. Rock out the rest of those. If you have any more questions, I'll be looking forward to seeing you at the Zoom call.